Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share with you how I duped some beautiful decor perfect for a glam room. So here's the inspiration for my first DIY. I'll be taking this round frame from a Dollar Tree mirror and I will be tracing the inner and outer circles on 2 pieces of paper. And putting them back to back, I'll be taping those together. And I'll be drawing this logo out on a piece of cardboard, using my X-Acto knife to cut out the center and using scissors to go around. I've done 2 of these. Now taking a silver reflective paper, I'm just going to be adding that to my front logo as well as some small mirror tiles around the border. Now I've cut these small strips of cardboard and I'll be stacking 4 of them together, and I'll be using this to create the spacing between my 2 logos. And this is the way I'll be gluing those down. Now I'll be taking some string lights and I've intertwined them around the cardboard. Use masking tape to hold the wires down, and I will be using hot glue to secure them. Now I'll be gluing my top logo onto the cardboard. You can see my gem fits perfectly, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot glue to glue all my gems all around the border. Here it is all finished. And I'll be taking this rhinestone ribbon and I'll be cutting it in half, and I will have all the links for these items in the description box below, as well as the list of all the materials I used. This foam disc, and it already has the mirror tiles on it. I'm just going to be cutting out the middle logo. Also added the ribbon to the middle. This piece of cardboard with a hook on it, and I will be gluing that to the back. Now you want to be sure to use a strong adhesive as well as the hot glue, because the hot glue will not hold up against the foam for very long. Now this dowel I've covered in the reflective paper, and I'm just going to be cutting these at about 3 inches. And I'm going to use some pressure to mark where I want to create a small hole to be able to fit my dowels into, and then add some hot glue to secure those into place. Placing my dowels into my foam, then using more hot glue to secure the dowels into the foam, and then using more rhinestone ribbon to cover up the rest of the foam. Here's the final look at how this wall sconce turned out. I think it came out pretty similar to the original piece. Let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how this turned out? Here's my second inspiration, and I absolutely love this mirror. So here I have a piece of foam board, and I'll be tracing the backing from the mirror, as well as a plate that is about 1/2 inch smaller than my original circle. Now I'll be tracing the back of my mirror as well. Now I'll be cutting all these pieces out. Now I'll be gluing my mirror down. You want to make sure that your gem fits in between your border and your mirror. Here I'm just taking my border and covering it with some of the mirror reflective paper. And using some of these wooden blocks to hold my pieces up so that I can glue my gems down with no problem. And I'll just be going around with hot glue, but you are very welcome to use a strong adhesive. Here's what that should look like, and I think this is coming out absolutely gorgeous. I've also created the back for this mirror and covered the edges with the mirror reflective paper. Now I'm taking this lid from this disposable pan, and these come in a set of 3 for $1, and I'm just going to be gluing that lid down. Also taking 4 of the tumbling blocks and gluing those into the center. I've also covered them with some mirrored tape. Taking some string lights, I'm just going to string those around the blocks and tape them down. Now I'll be gluing down the top of my mirror. Taking my gemstones and going all around the border, gluing those down. I will be gluing my battery pack to the back of this mirror, and I will be using an easel from the Dollar Tree to display this gorgeous mirror. So here is how this turned out, and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. I definitely love the way these two pieces turned out, and I think they make absolutely gorgeous gifts for that glam person in your life. Let me know down below, what are your thoughts on how these pieces turned out? I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will talk to you in my next video.